Hi vetmates, I'm Abegail Masayon and I will be discussing the reproductive hormones and vitamins, the progesterone and androgens. For the progesterone. Progesterone is a hormone that occurs naturally on females and is required for endometrial receptivity, embryo implantation, and the successful establishment of pregnancy. During the ovarian cycle, it acts as a negative feedback hormone, suppressing LH and FSH secretion, estrus, and ovulation. In veterinary medicine, progesterone is used in cows and mare for both therapeutic, reproductive system disorders such as termination of an unwanted pregnancy, and zootechnical, the estrus synchronization and preparation of donor and receptor animals in the case of embryo transfer purposes. It primes behavioral regions in the brain in some species, allowing estradiol to trigger behavioral estrus. It is produced mainly from the corpus luteum and the placenta and to a lesser extent from the adrenal gland. In some species, such as the sow and the goat, luteal progesterone is required throughout pregnancy. In others, such as the mare and the ewe, placental progesterone is a primary source after day 100 in the mare and day 55 in the ewe. Progesterone is used to control ovulation, induction of ovulation, and reduce embryonic loss. Progestin is a synthetic form of progesterone, a naturally occurring hormone which plays an important role in the female reproductive cycle. Here are the types of synthetic progesterone. Medroxyprogesterone is used to control estrus and ovulation in the cyclic ewes, and to induce estrus in the anestrus ewe. It can be used in bitches to suppress the onset of next estrus. Fluorogesterone acetate. It is used to control or induce estrus in ewes. Melangestrol acetate. It is used to suppress estrus in heifers. The norgestomae is used to control or induce ovulation. And lastly, the progesterone used to control estrus in bitches, the female dog.